Guys, this is a video of Lego Marvel. I will not be playing the game today, but I'm just gonna talk about it, like what it's about, and how cool it is, and why you should get the game. So first of all, likes Iron Man. Obviously, everybody likes Iron Man. So if you like Iron Man, you should get this game. He's in a lot. He's in this a lot. If you like Hulk, just Bruce Banner and one character. One. If you like the Spider-Man, the Future Foundation Spider-Man, and the normal one. And he turns Peter Parker all in one character. Captain America, not that cool in this game, but still cool. And yeah, and if you like Fantastic Four, definitely cool. Also, Silver Surfer. Let's take a good look at it. See him there? Silver Surfer. So yeah, alright. If you like Deadpool, I already have him. I'll tell you how to get him. It's cool. Deadpool. That Ghost Rider. You right there. Oh, after my camera now. Oh, there we go. He's right there. And these are all the boss I have to fight. Red Skull, Loki, Doctor Doom, Magneto, and Dr. Octopus. Vulture. That's Jean Grey. Abomination. That's Gambit, Storm, Beast, Nick Fury, Sabretooth. Oops, Sabretooth. I'm gonna stop putting my finger. There. Fantastic Four. I'm gonna play with them a lot in this game too. So, yeah. There's also Captain America. Wolverine is really cool in this game. Black Widow, The Thing. Oh, also you have all the Fantastic Four and Future Foundation except Human Torch. But yeah, a lot of reasons why you should get this game. Give me 1 second. Let me open the case. Be right back. And there's the manual, how to play it. I'll be posting the game, how to play it. There we go. Oops, CD. It's in my Xbox over there. Go to short queue. There. Right there. It's inside it. Let me show you the game. And there, my sister's going to die. Nope, it's there. Yep. I advise you to buy the DLC pack. It's way better. I don't have it because I got this game before the DLC pack came out. So I advise you to get it because there's a bunch more characters that are better. Such as Spider-Man Symbiome and Rick Jones, Hawkeye, one with the purple suit. There's a lot of characters, so you should get that one. I have the normal one. I'm so upset that I got that one. I wanted to get DLC. It's way better. Anyway. So yeah. To see Deluxe. This is just about it. And if you guys subscribe, when I post a video on how to play it and how to get some characters, then yeah. Please tell me some questions. Ask me some questions and say how to get these characters, and such as I don't know, Deadpool, especially Deadpool really hard to get. You have to work a lot for this guy. Anyway, yeah, I almost have all the characters, and when I get all the characters, or almost all of them, actually, you know what, I will play them like about maybe today. My mom lets me get to do a lot of stuff today. I'm going to show you all the characters I have today, and then I'm going to show one video about all characters. So this is one of my videos on the Marvel, but I'm just talking about the game, how awesome it is, and why you should buy it. And you should also buy it because I'm going to play it. So if you want, it's really cool. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye.